Hi everyone, welcome back to another video at Tonic Studios. My name is Shilpa. I'm one of the design team members over at Tonic, and today I'll be making a lovely card with you all. So here is a selection of the products I'll be using. This is the brand new very Elfy creative collection from Tonic, and you probably have seen this collection in a bit more detail. So what I'll be doing is just creating a quick card using the dies, a couple of the stamps, and of course my stamp set. So I'm just going to grab some of the things I've already prepped. So here I have my layers ready and prepped for my card, and these layers are from an old die set from Tonic. It's called the Elegant Oval Layering Die Set. Now Tonic have a lot of layering die sets, so you can use whatever shape and design you like for your card, and the card bases are using the Purple Mist mirror card. I've also got the pink chiffon mirror card and the pearlescent fresh mint card as well for my layers. And the top layer here, where I'm going to be doing some stenciling, is just the Craft Perfect Classic White. So what I want to do is place two of my stamped images. So I have got them stamped. So I've used these cute little elves here. I've used this little one here. No, I didn't. I used this one, and then I've also used, yes, I've used these two cute little elves here, and they do come with their coordinating dies. So I've just stamped and coloured them in, and you can see they're just basic colouring in. I've not done any shading because they are quite small characters. So I've just gone in with some of my Nouveau markers, and I've gone for like pastel shades of purple and a bit of mint green to colour them in. So I want to create a little scene on top of here. So I'm going to bring my stencil in, and I've got this beautiful tree here, this Christmas tree, and the idea is to create a simple little scene at the front. And to do this I'll be using some green ink, and for this I've got some Distress Oxide in Maude Lawn. So I've got my Distress Oxide here, and I'm going to use one of my blending sponges and just create a simple tree for my topper here. So I'm just going to go in and dab some ink on and basically just dab it onto your card. So really simple process, and I love using stencils because they give like a really nice crisp image. And these sponges, the blending sponges, are great. You could use your small brush as well if you've got some Tonic brushes, but I find these really handy. And you can almost create texture with these. So that is my tree all coloured in. Put this to one side. Bring my stencil up, and you can see there's some little areas here where you can put some colour in for your decorations. But before I do that, I want to put my little characters on, and I also want to stamp a sentiment on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a sentiment. So I want to go for Elf Yourself Merry Christmas, and I've got it on my block here, and I'm going to stamp it up here. Use some black ink to do this. So let's get some ink on there. And the reason I'm creating my topper first, because I'm going to add some Nouveau drops here, so I want that to dry while I work on my card base. I'm going to bring this in and stamp it on. Like so. That looks really crisp and great. So let's get my characters on, and then I'm going to put some Nouveau drops on here and put this to one side. So I'm just going to give them a little curve with my fingers to create a bit of dimension. It just helps it on its way with your foam pads. And then I'm also going to bring in some of my most favourite foam pads, and this is the black 25mm foam pad from Tonic, and these are so tacky, and you can obviously put into them. It's a great size, and I've got all the sizes in them, but I will be using the larger ones because I want to use it for my card layers as well. So I'm just gonna go in and just chop them down the middle and create two little pieces for my little elves. So put one here, and then I'm going to put one here, and I'm going to decide which way I want them. Probably want them this way around. So I'm going to add a tiny bit of my Nouveau Deluxe adhesive, because then I know these will last forever, and as the foam dries they're never going to fall off. So just going to go off the edge a tad like that. Do the same again, and put her down here. So adorable. And that is my little scene. And then I'm going to go in with my crystal drop in dandelion yellow to add colour to my little lights. So I'm going to go in and just get some excess off. Just add a bit of colour. And I'm just using one colour. Obviously you can use as many colours as you like to decorate. And then I've also got a tiny little star that I've stamped and cut out. Just going to sit on top of here, and then I'm going to let this dry to the side. Now whilst my topper is drying, I'm going to add my layers, and I'm going to be using a combination of adhesive. So I'll be using my Deluxe Nouveau adhesive. I'll also be using some of this tissue tape from Tonic, and of course my foam pads as well to add some layers. So let's get this stuck on and put together. So now that the card base is almost done, I am going to add some foam pads quite strategically to add my topper to. It's not fully dry yet, so I'm just going to put that to one side and put the foam pads on. So I'm going to be just eyeballing, because I don't want to turn this around right now and put my foam pads. So it's just a little border, so yeah, I can go ahead and add my foam pads like this, leaving a little border. And I apologise for the sun beaming in and out. This weather cannot make its mind up today. So I apologise for some of the glare that you might be getting on this video here and there. So let's put those on here. And then I'm going to just add a couple either side. Like this. And that should be enough. So I'm just going to remove these backings. It's so easy to do. And because you're stamping your own images, you can go for whatever colour theme you like to create your card. Like I've gone for like a purpley tone here. Nice and modern kind of colour combos. Just going to put this on here. And then the final touch will be a bow that I want to add. So I've got this bow that I've tied with some Tonic ribbon. There's a whole like loads of different ribbons over at Tonic website, so please go and check the website out. So just got a purpley one that goes with my theme here. I'm going to add a little dab of hot glue to my bow and add that on towards the top there. And that finishes my beautiful Elf Yourself a Merry Christmas card. Really, really gorgeous, dimensional, and so cute. So thank you so much for watching. And like I said, you've probably seen the videos for the products with the girls over at Tonic HQ. So I hope I've given you some inspiration with my card. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all again very soon. Take care. Bye.